Dear friends, today we discuss about agronomy. Who is the father of agronomy? Petro de Crescenzi. The word agronomy is derived from Greek language, which principle of vegetation of water Van Helmont, who wrote Horse Sowing Husbandry Jethro Tull. Natural resource management is an example of sustainable agriculture. Annuals of Agriculture written by Arthur Young, who is the father of weed science Jethro Tull. In India, shifting cultivation is known as zooming cultivation. Silver revolution is related to egg and poultry production. Cropping term cropping system is a component of farming system. Which which crop has the highest cultivated area in India area in the world? Wheat. The rice variety grown in India belongs to indica. Productivity of rice is highest in Punjab. Zooming cultivation is also known as shifting cultivation या burn and slice cultivation. In India, the maximum acreage and production of wheat is Uttar Pradesh. Kind of cropping in which a line is left unsown, the regular row series is skip cropping. Which cropping intensity will be 100% monocropping? The rice inflorescence is known as panicle. The dehulled rice grain is known as brown rice. Cultivation of such crops which have different natural habits and zero competition is known as parallel cropping. Raising of crops with the at least tillage is called minimum tillage. Highest production of cereal in the world is wheat. Which family of crop has more exhaustive to gramineae? Crop logging first adopted in which crop? Sugarcane. Which state has the highest productivity of sugarcane? Tamil Nadu. Green revolution has been most successful in wheat and rice. Maximum area under wheat is in China. The inflorescence of wheat is known as ear or head. The inflorescence of sugar is known as arrow. The process known as arrowing. Relay cropping concept has been derived from relay race. Partial plume is used to measurement of water flow. Dipog method of raising nursery of rice has been introduced in India from Philippines, which is which is most sensitive to both excess moisture and drought. Maize. Tracing is associated with which crop? Sugarcane. Highest rice producing state in India is West Bengal. Which which crops has the double symbiotic relationship with nitrogen fixing bacteria Sesbania rostrata adhacha. Extensively grown pulse crop in India is chickpea. Formula of cropping intensity is cropping intensity equals to total cropped area upon total sown area into 100. Which increase phosphate solubility? Pseudomonas. Which clay mineral is rich in potash? Elite. In which crop the use of BGA as a biofertilizer with the most useful? Rice. Hybrid rice for commercial production was first evolved in China. Sugarcane is planted in furrow because it reduces lodging. Which state has highest production of soybean in India? Madhya Pradesh. Which pulse crop does not fix nitrogen from atmosphere? Rajma. Saline tolerant variety is SR 26B. Cultivation of crops in alternate where annual rainfall is less than 750 mm is called dry farming. Widely used nitrogenous fertilizer in rice is ammonium sulfate. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.